Rock Valley College offers a series of welding courses tailored to the needs of local industry. So to find a list of these courses, go to the Rock Valley website, rockvalleycollege.edu, look under Browse Courses, and from there you get another menu and select Search for Credit Courses. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, select Welding, then hit Search. You can also select what semester and day of the week you're looking for. Our 16 credit hour industrial welder certificate starts with workplace ethics, introduction to welding, blueprint reading for welders, and arc welding flat and horizontal. This second semester, students can take MIG and TIG welding. Our 31 credit hour advanced welder certificate could start in the same way. We also have the addition of arithmetic for welders, arc welding vertical, arc welding overhead, and certification or qualification prep, advanced gas tungsten arc welding, and workplace ethics. Hi, I'm George. Here's a short tour of our welding facility here at the Stenstrom Center. Here we have oxy-fuel system for beveling pipe. We start with oxy-fuel. We have acetylene, it's our main fuel gas. In our Welding 100 class, or Introduction to Welding, we cover oxy-fuel welding, brazing, shielded metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, and gas tungsten arc welding. Here's our workroom with our metal shears. The sheet metal shear, got it up to 1/8 inch material. Then we have an iron worker over here up to 1/2 inch. We go through in the lab. In the perimeter, we have shielded metal arc welding equipment. It's stick welding, which most people know it as. The electrode holder. Got compressed gases right here. So this first bank of welding booths. There's 6 booths and then 2 more along the wall. These are all gas tungsten arc welding stations, or TIG. It's also known as heliarc. It's a slower process. It's a basic layout of the lab. So these are the TIG welding booths here. Stick welding along the perimeter. And then gas metal arc or MIG welding is in these 6. Grinding booths here. Downdraft table. Takes care of most of the fumes. You gotta wear a face shield working in here. Gas metal arc welding is considered a semi-automatic process. The filler metal is fed from a spool through a series of drive rollers to the MIG gun, where it's energized and fed into the weld pool. Quench tank. There's a beveling station, oxy-fuel. A few examples of MIG welds. Consistent width, good contour to the weld bead. One of the final projects you'll do in the lab classes is a guided bend test. We use this horizontal bandsaw to cut coupons. So we basically take these coupons, bend one across the face, one across the root using this fixture, bend them 180 degrees, There's a small flaw in this one, but it's under 1/8 inch, so it should be acceptable. So if you're interested in a career in welding, just go to our website, sign up for Introduction to Welding, and maybe a couple other classes, and see how you like it. If you want more information, you can call our program office, 815-921-3000, or look in our website, and there's more detailed descriptions of each course. See you soon.